Girl, I do not know if I want to watch a TV show all about people fighting over tigers. I don't know. That doesn't seem like my thing.
Oh my god, it's not just about that though. It has like drama, there's like rivalry between like the tiger keepers. It's like, it's intense and it's also hysterical because like the things that they get themselves involved in, it's just like, it's crazy. Honestly, truly, like I thought people were nuts for liking it, but I'm obsessed. You gotta watch it.
I definitely think people are nuts. I don't know if I'm gonna watch it. I just don't know. I don't know.
Literally anybody is watching it, so definitely watch it and let me know what you think. And call me.
Fine, I will watch it. I'm turning it on right now.
Okay, great. Bye. You'll thank me later.
Goodbye.
And I might be one of the people, I don't know. But they're all half out there, man. They're crazy.
There are more captive tigers in the U.S. today than there are in the wild throughout the world.
For Joe, the zoo was his stage. It was the one place he could shine. He could control every aspect of it. From the start of the day to the end of the day, he filmed everything.
I thought people were nuts for liking it, but I'm obsessed.
Hey, all you cool cats and kittens, it's Carol.
1,200 tigers and lions and bears and shit.
My name's Joe Exotic.
You have to watch it.
Kill me to shut me up.
We're luring people in.
This is my way of living, and nobody's gonna tell me any otherwise.
Hello? Yeah. Hey girl, I think I watched a little too much of that show. Okay, I guess I'm in a makeup tutorial. Am I dreaming? Because this is the weirdest thing ever. I mean, it'd be rude of me to not tell you guys what you should be doing to recreate this look, I guess. I'm so confused, but okay. I did my brows, and then I'm going to shape them out with my Shape Tape concealer, and then gonna use some of the white P. Louise base so that the colors are nice and bright. And then we're going to just blend that all out, and then I'm going to use the spoolie to shape out my brows just to kind of lay down the top a little bit. And then we're using the NATASHA DENONA Safari palette. How fitting. I'm going to use a couple of colors just to create a smoky eye, and then we are going to go and cut the crease a little bit later on. So once we've completed the smoky eye, we're going to go ahead and start cutting the crease. I used a little bit of makeup remover on this flat shader brush to cut the crease first. We're then going to go in with Shape Tape and just shape out the cut crease. This is like a half cut crease. And then we went into the P. Louise base to add a little bit of white to it so that we can have that little more tiger-esque kind of look. I'm then going to blend it out so that it blends in seamlessly with the rest of the colors, and then I'm adding these 2 shades from the Safari palette on top to help it blend better. I then added a little bit more of this orange because we want to be super orangey for this tigery look. I'm adding some eyeliner to my waterline. I also added it to the top waterline, but I looked crazy, just like I feel crazy right now, stuck in this dream. I'm then gonna add some brown eyeshadow to help kind of blend out the eyeliner, and then I'm using this Hank & Henry liquid liner for my liner and also my stripes. I'm applying some mascara, and then we're jumping over the face before we put on those stripes using this beautiful primer from KEVYN. It's the Face Glow Face, and then some pore filler because pretty sure tigers don't have pores. And then we're going to even everything out with the ESTEE Lauder Double Wear Foundation. Newfound love for this foundation too. Haven't used it in a long time and just got back to using it recently. I'm then gonna blend everything out, and that Tarte Maracuja mist helped blend everything out too and keep it nice and hydrated. Adding some more concealer to brighten up around my eyes and all the highlight areas. We're then gonna set everything with the KOKIE translucent setting powder. We wanna make sure that we are clean, bright, powdered, all the above. And then I'm going in with the Hotel Heiress bronzer because we are queens in this makeup and we need to be super over the top bronzy. I then went ahead and added my tiger stripes. Just remember, keep in mind, tigers all have unique stripes. None of them are the same. Off camera, I added some lashes. These are from Boss Bunny Beauty in Mizzo. I then added a coral orange blush to my face and also my nose to kind of give that illusion that I have a little nose. Then we're gonna move on to hair really quick. I'm just spraying the Marc Anthony dry conditioner in my hair so that I can easily brush it out. I curled my hair earlier with a wand similar to this one from Bedhead. The one I used is from Hot Tools, but I could not find it anywhere, like literally anywhere. So this Bedhead little mini skinny little wand is going to be the best one. So once we brush our hair out, we're going to move on to lips. I used the Morphe Sweet Tea, the Fenty Mademoiselle Freckle Fiesta, and then MAC's Myth lipstick and Myth lip gloss. See-through is a good dupe for this Myth lip gloss. I guess it was limited edition. And then we're just going to take our fingers and brush out this hair one last time for that very exotic, voluminous, beautiful hair. And this is the final look. Hey, all you cute cats and kittens. What the... When I tell you the dream that I just had, no more Tiger King for me.